Unlocking online success. Future-proof. Your content strategy. Listen up. If your business is invisible online right now, if Google can't find you, if ChatGPT ain't recommending you, and if people land on your website but leave without buying anything, that's not a business. That's a hobby. But it's not your fault. You've been playing by the old rules. And in 2025, those rules are broken. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to future proof your content strategy. So you can get seen, get recommended, and get paid. Let's go. We're starting with the heavyweight champ, Google. Why? Because Google still owns the game. Over 90% of search traffic still happens there. Let me repeat that. 90%. Over 1 billion people shop through Google every single day. Think about what that means for your business. You ready for this? If you sell anything, coaching, services, products, you got to show up when people are searching for what you do. If you're not on that first page, you might as well not exist. But here's the good news. Getting there is simpler than you think. First things first, I want you to Google your product or service. Go ahead, I'll wait. See who's already ranking. Now, really look at their content. What are they doing right? Here's your action step. Write a blog, article, or even a landing page that blows the competition out of the water. Add more real-life examples. Craft headlines that hook readers in and provide clear, concise answers. And here's the secret sauce. Make sure your titles include the exact words your audience is typing in. Don't use industry jargon. Use the language your customers use. Remember, we're talking about connecting with real people here. If you do this right, Google will notice. And next thing you know, your business shows up first when people search. That's how you dominate the search results. Now let's talk about the future, because the future is here. We're talking about AI, and more specifically, AI tools like ChatGPT. Think about it. When people ask ChatGPT, what's the best service for X? That answer ain't random. It's pulling information from the web, from the content that's out there. And if you ain't on that list, you don't exist. But here's the game changer. You can leverage this. You can make AI work for you. How? By creating content that answers real questions your customers are asking. Use tools like ChatGPT or Google's autocomplete to find those questions. What are people searching for? What are the pain points, the challenges they're facing? Once you know the questions, you provide the answers. Write detailed, helpful content, blog posts, FAQs, explainer videos, even short social captions can count. And here's the key. Make sure your name, brand, and links are mentioned clearly in your content. The more helpful and trustworthy your content is, the more likely these AI tools will recommend you. You become the go-to expert, the trusted source. That's the power of AI when you know how to use it. Okay, so you're ranking on Google. You're getting the AI love. But what happens when people actually land on your page? Are they sticking around or are they bouncing right off? Because here's the truth. Traffic without conversion is like a car with no engine. It looks good, but it ain't going anywhere. You can have all the eyeballs in the world on your content, but if folks aren't taking action, you're losing money. So how do you fix this? How do you turn those clicks into clients? It's all about having a clear call to action. Every single piece of content you put out there needs to have a clear next step. And I don't just mean read this. I mean, click here to book a call or download this checklist or sign up for my free webinar. Give people a reason to take action. Make it crystal clear what you want them to do next. And don't be afraid to use testimonials. Show proof that what you're offering works. Tell a quick story of someone who got results from your product or service. But here's the kicker, the secret sauce that will make all the difference. Speak in plain language. Talk like a real person. Remember, we're talking about building trust here. The goal is not just traffic, it's connection. And connection leads to conversion. Now, you might be thinking, Tony, this all sounds great, but how do I build that trust? How do I become the expert? And the answer is simpler than you think. It's about showing up authentically as you. You don't need to be a tech wizard to do this. You just need to prove you know what you're talking about. And the best way to do that, tell your story. Talk about how you got into your business, the challenges you faced, the lessons you learned. Add your name to your blog post. Put your face on your user's site. Don't hide behind the brand. Be the expert. Be the face your audience connects with. Share real customer results, case studies, and reviews. Let people see the impact you've made. And here's a powerful tool. Use video. Video builds trust faster than almost anything else. It allows people to see you, hear your voice, and connect with you on a deeper level. Remember, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. So let them get to know you. Be real, be authentic, and watch the trust build. Let's face it, people are tired of just reading. They want to do something. They want to be engaged. They want to interact. And that's where interactive content comes in. Think calculators, quizzes, maps, assessments. These aren't just gimmicks. These are powerful tools that can transform your content strategy. Here's your action step. Ask yourself, what tool would actually help my customer make a decision today? If you're a coach, maybe it's a quiz. Are you ready to launch your biz? If you sell home services, maybe it's a price estimator tool. These tools do three crucial things. One, they get shared, which means more eyeballs on your content. Two, they keep people on your site longer, which tells Google you're providing value. Three, they move folks closer to buying by providing them with valuable information and insights. And guess what? Google and AI love that too. They see that you're providing a valuable user experience and they reward you for it. Here's the thing. It's not just about what you say about yourself. It's about what others say about you. And that's where digital PR comes in. Why is this so important? Because Google tracks who's linking to you. They see those links as votes of confidence. And AI tools pay attention to which websites mention you. They see it as social proof. So how do you get featured? How do you get people talking about you and your business? It starts with reaching out. Reach out to blogs, podcasts, or magazines in your niche. Pitch your story. Offer tips. Share your expertise. Get featured, even once. And it can boost your credibility online like crazy. The more people talk about you, the more Google and AI say, yo, this dude's legit. This is how you build reputation and trust at scale. It's about becoming a thought leader in your industry, the go-to expert that everyone wants to work with. Now, if you're serious about leveling up your online presence, if you want to attract real traffic, convert clicks and declines, and dominate in the age of AI, then I got something for you. Download my free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing, at theultimateguidetoAIindigitalmarketing.com. It's packed with real strategies, easy steps, and everything we talked about today, and more. Don't wait. 2025 is already here. Let's get you in front of the right people and get you paid. You don't need to be techie. You don't need to have it all figured out. But you do need to show up. Be real. Be helpful. Be seen. Let's build something that lasts. You got this. I got your back. Let's grow.